Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we are going to be making together fluffy American pancakes. If this is what you would like to watch, sit back, relax and watch me do this. Do not forget to give this video a like, comment and also share. I want to also say thank you so much to all those who have been supporting me so far. I truly appreciate all of you, and to the new ones, do not forget to please click the subscribe button. So let's put all of our ingredients together. In a mixing bowl, I just poured in plain flour, 195 grams of flour. Next I'll be adding baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking soda, sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and salt, just a pinch of salt. So in that bowl, all of the dry ingredients I have is all-purpose flour, that's plain flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar and salt. I'll mix and set aside. Next, in another bowl, I have liquid milk, 290 ml of room temperature milk. Next to the liquid milk, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 egg, and then 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Thereafter, I'll just mix all of these wet ingredients together. Please pardon me guys, I have a bit of cold. That's why I may be sounding not very clear, but I'm trying as much as I can to speak clearly so you can understand me. So next I just mix all of that together, and then I'm going to be pouring it into the dry ingredients, and then we'll mix. I'll show you guys the consistency that will help us achieve the fluffy pancakes which we'll be making. So all of the wet ingredient goes into the dry one, and then we are going to mix. So I just try to mix to make sure that I don't have any lumps, but even if there are little bits of lumps, it doesn't really matter. But I mixed and there was no lump, and that's the consistency to which we are aiming at, and that's fine. Time for us now to start frying. So here on the gas already, I have my pancake pan. I rubbed in a bit of butter on the pan, and then I'm going to scoop in the pancake batter. I just scoop it in, centralizing it to help me achieve the size to which I'm going for. So the spoon I used now, I use 1.5 of it for the mini pancakes. If you want to do a large one, depending on whatever you want, just use your own measurement. So it takes about 1 minute and 1.5 to 2, but most importantly, cook on very low heat. My gas rates 1, 2, 3. I'm cooking on 1 so that it doesn't get burnt and it will be cooked. So if you can see now, we have some bubbles at the top. That indicates that it is ready underneath and it's time for us to flip over. It's now time to flip over. I'm using a spatula to help me easily flip over. I'm showing us again at this point where you have the bubbles on the top, air bubbles indicating that underneath is ready, and then we'll just flip over and cook for another 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then it's ready. Just look how beautiful the pancake is coming out. So to enjoy the pancake, you can serve it with your pancake syrup and any kind of fruits you have in the house. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to be showing us a second time thereafter how to achieve the round beautiful shape mini pancakes as well. So if you've watched this point, thank you so much, guys. This is ready. I'll just take that out and then put in another batter. So if you've watched to this point, I appreciate you so much for being and sticking around with me. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your thoughts. I'd like to know that you're here. Tell me, how do you enjoy your pancakes? Do you prefer the large size pancakes? And what kind of fruits do you enjoy eating your pancakes with? I'd like to know. So I have the second batch on there now. After about a minute and a half, or until when I see the bubbles on top, I'll flip over again. And that is it. It's quite very easy. Easy. And this pancake, trust me, the recipe, if you do use it, tastes very delicious. Soft, fluffy, and my Dutch people say lekker. Very delicious. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. You will see me plating, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.